Hey guys, welcome back to the Modeling Edge. It's Nick, and I just wanted to make a really quick video. I missed the initial release date of this article from Big Squid, which has the official image of the Cross RC BTR80. Now, it's been crazy with Black Friday. I've been super busy at my hobby shop just working, but I wanted to put it out because not only am I excited that I was right, that it is in fact a 110 scale BTR80 for the first time ever in the RC world, but I was some of the stuff we predicted, or I was talking to some other RC guys in the comments, I can now answer. So it is a 2-speed transmission. We know that now. That's great. It is independent axles, but the most important thing, oh, and it is belt driven. So there's that. Is that to answer some of my guys' questions, it will float in water, and it has a retractable water baffle. So like that Tora RC Swimwagen, which you can lower the propeller and switch between the drive modes, I do believe that there is going to be some way to do that with this vehicle. So you'll be able to equip it for swimming as well as just normal trailing. Some other things I didn't know, they do have scale periscopes and night vision devices all over. I don't know if that means that they will have some kind of aesthetic where you can actually see changing colors on the periscopes. Comes with smoke devices. I don't know if that just means that they're on the turret, like you can see the smoke grenade launchers here, they'll do something. The turret itself, though, will move, it will rotate. I don't know for sure if the gun will elevate, probably not. But yeah, so here's a closer view of how that 2-speed transmission is going to work. Motors in the rear, just like the real vehicle. There it is underneath. Oh wow, 2 motors. So it'll have a motor for the rear and a motor for the front. A servo to steer the rear and the front. Oh wow. So it'll have technically 4-way steer. There's another servo for the transmission. Very cool. But yeah, so this came out, like I said, on Black Friday. They announced this. So just wanted to show you guys the images, and I am super excited. Oh, and another big thing from my last video to answer some questions. It's not really a mystery considering how late we got the news. But just so you know, it is officially going to be first quarter 2022, where I think you can start pre-ordering these, and we'll see a release sometime later next year. But all in all, very cool. Great to see the Tatra Czechoslovakian truck come through, and now this. So Cross RC is doing some pretty decent and different vehicles. So let me know what you think down in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.